Welcome guys to our channel. It is the cherry blossom season all over the world. Today I am going to show you how it looks like in Seattle. This is all over Seattle. Parks, yards, around the street. But the best place to see is University of Washington. It was closed last year obviously for pandemic. This year also only few people are coming. We visit on weekday and late in the day, thought that there will be less crowd, but hundreds of people were enjoying the flowering show. We pay $6 to park our car. There are many parking lots around the university where you can park your car. The University of Washington is a public research university in Seattle, Washington, founded in 1861. This is one of the oldest universities on the West Coast with a really huge campus. These are Yoshino cherry blossom from Japan. It is brought to Seattle and planted here. The cherry blossom bloom changes every year depending on how cold and warm it is. This year spring is coming late and it's quite cold here. Today morning also it was 1 degree centigrade. Plum blossoms also could be found in this season. But cherry trees can be identified by these lenticles, the horizontal stripes in the bark. The city of Seattle has an interactive map to check where all the cherry and plum trees are flowering. This is the other side of the university where flowers are not bloom yet. And this is the main area where all the cherry trees are planted called the quad. The trees in the quad are pretty old, probably planted in 1862. In normal time, tons of people come here to enjoy the show. Let me show you the picture from 2019. The cherry blossom generally refer to ornamental cherry trees, not to be edible cherry trees. It is considered the national flower of Japan. Their life is very short. After their beauty peaks around 2 weeks, the bloom starts to fall. The Yoshino cherries have single flowers, some others have a flower within a flower. Looks like pom-pom. It's just so beautiful. Bloom colors range from white to light rose to dark pink. I personally found 9 varieties of cherry blossom around my neighborhood. Some has different colors, some has different petals, but all are very gorgeous. One more place to see cherry blossom is Washington Park Arboretum, jointly managed by University of Washington Botanical Garden and the City of Seattle. Its 230 acres contains a dynamic assortment of plants, some found nowhere else in Northwest. We took a walk through the arboretum and discovered many beautiful varieties of cherry blossom as well as magnolia. This park is free to enter and no parking fee as well. Graham Visitor Center is closed to public due to pandemic, but people can walk through around the park with mask up. This botanical garden is so big and it has so many varieties of plants that you will get something new in every season. Last time we come here during fall season, it was really wonderful to visit. If you didn't see our fall season video, I am linking this up and in description box. We literally couldn't stop to shoot videos and click photos. See how big the flower is, almost as big as my face is. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel, click the bell icon to get notified every time we upload a new video. Don't forget to like and comment. Please tell me how the spring is at your place. I would love to know. See you later. Bye bye.